Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you so much for joining me today in this video. This is going to be a short nail art haul video. So let's go ahead and just jump right in. I got a few things from Amazon I want to show you really quickly. So we'll start out with these. You're probably saying, Jamie, why? Why do you have those? Well, this is a pack of call them O-rings, I think. And I didn't need this many, but I guess they can be useful for many things. But it also comes with like the clasps, and they have the gold and the silver, which is not bad. Let me just show you guys. Let me open it up. See it, and it comes in this really nice little case. Yeah, all different sizes, which I only, let's see. Wow, some really big ones. Anyway, you get the gold and you get the silver, and then here are these little clasps, which I probably won't use any of those, but the reason I got them is so I can start putting dangles on the nails that I do, on some of them. So it also comes with this ring. I know there's a purpose for this. I don't know if it's meant to like hold it while you're trying to, I don't know. I know there's a purpose for it. But it comes with some needle nose pliers, and then it also came with some little tweezers, and these little boogers are sharp. Look at that. Really nice to pick up the O-rings. Alright, so here are the charms that I got. This is a 30-piece mixed enamel charms, again from Amazon. And I'm just going to quickly show you a couple of them. Some of these are way too big for the nails. You know, for instance, like this one, like the ladybug, and like these things are like just way too big. But they do have some small ones in here. They have a little circle, like the circle of life. They have like these little keys, little flamingos, little flower, a lamb. I love this one, the little queen. I love that crown, little queen crown, and then of course like a little Disney castle. Another flower. The lips are adorable. Oh, they did have a little cactus. Yes, this one. It is so cute. I love succulents and cactus. And I actually have some stickers that would go really good with this. So yeah, just some really adorable little charms. I wish they were a little smaller though. Alright, next up, still more items from Amazon. I got, now when I ordered these, I didn't realize there was going to be so many of the same pattern. It doesn't say that. I don't think it does. I could be wrong. But anyway, I got a pack of 24 sheets. I wanted to do some more like Gucci snake designs. So we got this one, and it's got the snakes and the hearts and the moons and all that cool stuff. Okay, now I don't really mind having this many because I can actually throw them in giveaways. But they sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 of this one. Okay. And then they sent me 3 butterflies. And then I got 3 of this cute one with the hands, the lips, the coffee, you know, just some really cute stuff. 3 of those. And then we got, now I'm really glad they sent 3 of these, because I haven't used letters yet, and I really want to use letters. So we got 3 of those, and they go from A, let's see, A to Z, and then it starts back over at A. Oh gosh, sorry guys, I knew you couldn't see that. I'm so sorry. Let me flip this over and show you. There we go. So it goes from A to Z, like I said, and then it starts over at A, B, and goes to J, and then it's got the smaller case all the way to Z, and then it has 1 through 0, and then it has 1 through 0 again, and then it starts with lowercase again, A and I. Why? I don't know. A and I. Why? I don't know. But anyway, that is those 3 stickers. And then the last one they sent me 3 of was the lips, which I like the rainbow. I like that. And then it's got like the hand in the mouth, and then I love you, and the cherries and strawberries. So that's really cute. Alright, and then I got one more item from Amazon, and that is this set of, I believe there's 42 pieces. These are the AB rhinestones, well, the bigger gems. You get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, I don't know, you might be more than 42. Maybe it's like 48 pieces, but they're all really big. So I thought that would be really cute to use some of these, you know. I really like these. Some of them are like just so gorgeous. So there we go. I mean, AliExpress takes forever, so that's why I ordered these, because I don't have any quite like this. But yeah, I will leave links for all this stuff down below. Alright, next up, Slay by Jay told me about this shop. And they do have an Instagram, so let me bring that up really quickly. The Attitude Shop. Here they are. That is their Instagram. The Attitude Shop. And they also have a website. And let me tell you guys, they are very reasonable on their prices. Now, I did not order a whole lot my first go around, but I will say I received it. I ordered it. She processed it, sent it out, and I got it within a week. It was that fast. They are out of California. Alright, so the first thing I got were the Powerpuff Girl stickers. And that's what the collab is going to be. And that's why I ordered, because I didn't have any of the Powerpuff Girls. So this is the one that I got. And then I just went ahead and got a couple more items. I grabbed these Nike Just Do It stickers. And they're rainbow, and they're really pretty. And then I went ahead and grabbed these little adorable like rainbow flowers. I thought those were really cute. And last but not least, I grabbed some of these little puff, magnetic puff balls, or whatever you call these things. Let me show you. You put these on your nail, and how you do it is you would put this little piece on with like gel or acrylic or glue or whatever. I would definitely not use glue because it will fall off. But I would put it on with like a gel or an acrylic, and then you just put this on top of it after you apply that to the nail, and it's a magnet. And then you can have an adorable little puff ball. And these are only like $2. $2 and some cents on her website. And everywhere else I've looked, they are way more. Even on AliExpress, they're higher priced. So I got the blue, the pink, and the white. Okay guys, so last but not least is probably my favorite thing, and I just received it. It did take a little while. I think I ordered it like 2 weeks ago, and it just came. I got my Après Gel X Sculpted Stiletto in the XXX long size. So there are 250 pieces, 10 sizes, and guys, these are long. I will be doing an in-depth complete video on these nails. You'll have to stay tuned for that. But yeah, look at that. Look how long that thing is. Look how long. I love it. I love it. So any of you who want to see an in-depth video, we're going to be measuring them. We'll talk about them. I am going to be comparing these with Eno Couture's longest nail that they have out. So if you guys want to see that video, comment down below. Also, comment down below what was your favorite item out of everything in my haul video. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Bye, guys.